New York Islanders goal. His 15th of the season, scored by number 29, Brock Nelson. Assisted by number 21, Palmieri. Time of the goal, 2:03 of overtime. That's Nelson, his 15th of the season from Palmieri at 2:03 of overtime. Here are tonight's 3 stars of the game. The third star from the Islanders, number 50, Marcus Hogberg. The second star from the Islanders, number 29, Brock Nelson. And tonight's first star from your New York Islanders, number 28, Alex Romanov.
Brock, bring us into overtime, the excitement around your team getting this opportunity and your ability to capitalize.
Yeah, great job, battling back in the third. Showed a lot of character, a lot of heart. It was a big goal by Lizzie. Big save by Soroki coming in forward there in overtime too to keep us in it, give us a chance. So it's nice to get down. That's a big win for us here.
How about also the work from Hogberg tonight, giving you guys an opportunity against a really tough Carolina team as well?
He's been equally as great for us as Soroki down the stretch here the last couple of weeks. He's been big for us, played a lot of solid games, and it was really different. So he stood tall there, made a couple big saves, and gave us a chance to win.
Can you look at this game as a confidence boost for your team as you continue to try to climb your way up the standings?
For sure, we got something rolling right now, so we're going to keep it going. It's a big test for us, tough on the back-to-back. They're fresh. It's a big win for us to come back, especially battling back to back.
A lot of fun to watch. Thanks so much for your time, Brock. Got it.
Isles Nation with tonight's victory. You win 10% off solo stoves by using the promo code ISVIP at solostove.com. And you also win $2 10-piece chicken McNuggets at your local McDonald's. Isles Nation. Your New York Islanders host the Colorado Avalanche right here at UBS Arena this Tuesday, January 28th at 7:30 p.m. From all of us here at the New York Islanders and UBS Arena, thank you for joining us this evening, and please arrive home safely. Good night.